Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another video of iPad Essential. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of essential keyboard shortcut for iPad, especially when you are using your iPad with keyboard. Okay, so here you can see this is iPad Pro M4 and the keyboard here is Pebble keyboard from Logitech. And if I talk about some of specification of this keyboard can be connected to 3 different devices, and then this keyboard support both Mac as well as Windows and also iPad. Okay, if you want to see complete tutorial of this keyboard, then you may check out the video link that I have added to this video. Now let's talk about some of essential iPad keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so I would say most of the shortcuts that are also applicable for macOS are also applicable here. For example, if I press here CMD and H, here we will see that we will be returning back to our home screen. If we press here Command and space, you will see that now I can see the space bar. And now you can search for the app. For example, let me type here Notability, and there we go. Now let's say you wanted to switch to another app that you have already opened. Then in that case, we can press CMD N tab, and then we can go to the app that you want. And one more thing here, you see I have enabled Stage Manager, so that's why it is not coming full screen. So if I disable it, then you will see the apps are actually full screen. So I would say it's up to you whether you'd like to enable Stage Manager. So when we enable Stage Manager, you're gonna see apps like this. Below is the dock, and then on the side you're gonna see more stages. So and it's not like we cannot go full screen in case of Stage Manager. All we need to do is we need to pull it from the corner, and then you will see your app is also full screen. Now let's talk about more shortcuts. For example, if I press here Command, Shift and 3 together, it will take screenshot. And just like macOS, if you're gonna press Command, Shift and 4, then in that case you have option to further customize it. Let's say you want to select a specific area, you can do that. And then all we need to do is we need to press here on done, and that's how we can save these screenshots. So for this particular case, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on delete screenshot. But now you got the idea how we can take screenshot. Now let's talk about more shortcut. For example, let's say we would like to create a new document. So I'm gonna type here first of all open notes, and let's tap here on notes, and let's say I am working off this one, and now I need to work on new note. Then I simply can press Command and N, and then this will launch another note. So let me again make this full screen so that you can see. So the previous one was this, and if I press Command and new, now you can see we have created or opened new notes. Now let's talk about more such general shortcuts. So we saw that to create a new document, the shortcut is CMD plus N. To close the tab or window, the shortcut is CMD plus W. So you need to keep on pressing CMD plus W. That's how we can close the tabs or window. Now in a similar way, you're gonna see common shortcuts also work. For example, CMD plus Z for undo, CMD plus Shift plus Z for redo. Let me actually do that. Maybe again open this notes app, and now if I type here something and press CMD plus Z, and it should for sure undo the text. And then if I press CMD Shift and Z, now it should redo the text. So these are, I would say, some of very basic. Then CMD plus X will also work for cut, and then CMD plus V will paste. Or again, you can also use CMD plus A to select all. And in case of notes, if you even keep on holding CMD, then you're gonna see the common shortcuts available in case of notes. If you want to find something, you can press CMD plus F. So that will help you to find things. For example, I just wrote D, and here you can see I am able to search the document. In a similar way, you may also find keyboard specific shortcut. For example, this keyboard also comes with some of direct shortcut. Let's say I would like to take screenshot and I do not want to press 3 buttons, which is Command, Shift and 3. Instead, I can simply press this button and I can take screenshot. And then here we have got these multimedia keys that are going to help us out in increasing and decreasing volume. Then we have got this mute button, and then play and pause. And then here you can also see more such shortcut for specific functionality. We're gonna have the search functionality as well. So that's all guys from my side in this video. This was a kind of quick guide which talk about general shortcut available for iPad when iPad is being used with keyboard like this. Shortcuts play a very vital role in improving your overall productivity and will help you to elevate your working with iPad experience. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essential as we keep on bringing these kind of video that will help you to elevate your iPad experience. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.